So this is a video to show you guys how to do your reflection on your article of the week. If I'm sitting here in Google Classroom, you have stream, you have students, and that should really be like your work or assignments. And you have about. I want you to go to about, and then you're going to see different resources I've left here for you. You know, your sentence starters for evidence, how to upload a file to Google Classroom, a screenshot of how to write a Malcon. You're going to click on the article of the week template, and it's going to take you to this. It might not give you the ability to edit it because I'm logged in and it's mine. What you're going to end up doing is going to File, make a copy. And you're going to put title it Article of the Week number 1, and it'll make you a new copy. Since your first article is on teenage phone addiction, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up the article, so give me 1 second. So I have here my article of the week and my proof of annotation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to look at possible response questions. I'm going to choose a passage and respond. And I'm going to look right here at the parents have a problem too. Okay. That's the section I'm going to respond to. Is, you look here, parents might complain about the amount of time teens spend on their phones, but they admit they have their own difficulties when it comes to unplugging. 27% of parents feel they're addicted to mobile devices, while the same number of teens, 20% believe their parents are addicted, according to the poll. This entire section is something I'm going to respond to. So the first thing I need to have to do is I need to replace with my name, my core. I'm going to say in core 2. Due date would be 1 December 2017. And then I start writing. The reflection is all about what do you think of the article. You have to give an objective summary, so tell me, so your objective summary, I would probably put first, it tells me what the article is about. Who was mentioned, why did the author write it, this is inference. How recent does this actually matter? Meaning, how recent part is all about, is this a recent article, meaning within the past 2 or 3 years? And if so, do you believe this is something that's going to continue or something that's going to end up tapering off? And then your reflections, what do you think about the article? So I'm going to go back to my article. So I'm going to start off with in the article, I'm going to give the title of the article. So half teens think they're addicted to their smartphones. In the article, half of So in the article, half teens think they're addicted to their cell phones. And the author brings up the point that maybe parents are facing these types of problems as well in the section labeled Parents Have a Problem Too. The author goes on to show that not only is this a trend kids are facing with the issues, one that adults have a problem coming to terms too. So I would continue to respond based on this section of the article. What did I find interesting? One of the things that I would probably put in there is that 27% of parents feel they're addicted, while 28% of teens believe their parents are. And I think that because those numbers are so close, that kids and parents have a more accurate presentation of what their parents, of how much time their parents spend on their phones as well. And you would continue to do this for the entire page. Um, you don't have to respond to the two questions at the bottom. That would be the easiest thing for me to do. I think choosing a passage like this, not just a paragraph, but like an actual section to respond to would be a lot easier than just picking a line or something. If you have any questions, feel free to ask for my assistance during advisory.